Welcome to another episode of Adventures in Arch Linux, completely uncut, unscripted, my adventures in Arch Linux, self-explanatory. Something that I do need to explain though is how this episode needs to go well for me to get out of this fear. I've got archophobia right now. Because last episode, episode 6, should have known it was evil by the number of the episode, everything went wrong. I called that episode a nightmare of failure. Everything I did just didn't work. So this episode will hopefully solve every single problem except for Conky. I'll leave Conky for next episode. Every single problem from the last episode will be a dream in this episode. The dream of success. So let's start our route up. That was a funny start to that. I didn't mean to, this is unscripted, and I said, let's start the route up. I meant start the route as in let's go up to goodness now. But start the route up is more like start the system, the root of your Linux computer. Don't worry if you don't get it, but I didn't mean to say that joke. It was an unintentional joke. Let's, that pretty much tricked myself. So let's start off now. I want to try and get something else. Screen, like the program you see down there that records this all this series, it's getting worse and worse and worse. Synchronization is a big issue. Let's say I open and close cheese, it'll be out of sync by 1 second. Open and close cheese again, out of sync by 2 seconds. It's not just cheese, it's pretty much any program. And it's getting a little bit ridiculous now, and I'm spending 3 hours editing these just to get everything back in sync. But before we do that, I want to try and get this audio program working, or any of them, because as you know, if I go try and record audio now, look, with these episodes, see, you didn't watch the last episode, hopefully you didn't, because it was awful, but I basically got noise, nightingale, whoa, my mouse moved by itself. I just got all these programs. I couldn't get music working on anything. The closest I got to playing music was being able to import them in Banshee, but none of them make any sound. So, it's hopeless. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to now try something. I'm going to get GStreamer, like the legacy version instead, and I'm also going to get the bad plugins and everything, because I've heard that sometimes you need to get the bad plugins for it to actually work. So let's go GStreamer Arch. And oh yeah, here we go, Arch. Hurry up. Maybe I even need codecs, I'm not sure, but let's try and sort this out. By the way, I've also noticed if I go to audio here, you can do like pulse audio, and all my quick cam and stuff has appeared in there. So that's pretty cool that it automatically appeared. Anyway, I'm going to try and get GStreamer 0.10. So, sudo sudo pacman /s, so GStreamer 0.10. Let's hope it works, here we go. And it's up to date. Okay, well it is up to date then. Now, let's just press yes anyway. Anyway, here's what I wanted to show you. You've got all these plugins here, as you can see just over here in the browser. You've got bad plugins, base plugins, that would be interesting, because FMPG, that's like what it's using to record here, I think, with Screen. So when I get that plugin, it might interfere with Screen, so I might get that one last, and only if I need it. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in, what are we typing in? GStreamer 0.10. Bad, or maybe not bad. I'm a bit scared of the bad. I'll do base plugins and GStreamer 0.10 good plugins. I've got to admit the naming is awful. GStreamer 0.10, what else? I know. Ugly plugins. Someone said they couldn't get their music software working or something until they got the ugly plugins. So that's why I specifically got ugly plugins there. Let's try this. And boy, I hope this works. Oh, what? It couldn't find good plugins. What? Did I spell plugins wrong? Oh wait, warning. Up to date, yeah. Target not found. Oh, okay, I said gas stream. Rather, okay, wrong word. There we go, yes. Boy, I hope this works. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? The requested not found. Oh, not a not found thing. I might need to update my mirror list, actually. Let me wait. Control C. Let's see. I'm gonna do... What am I gonna type? Sudo pacman SYU? That's it. Okay. So synchronize everything. Wow, that's a lot of upgrades. Oh, what? A Linux upgrade. Linux 3.12.81? Is that like the kernel or something? Yikes, you'd think if I'm going to update Linux, like literally Linux, the kernel, you'd think something might go wrong here. Yes. Boy, I hope nothing goes wrong here. And that recorder software, oh my goodness, that could go off too. I've got to watch this. So anyway, what I wanted to talk about is with Voco Screen, I have a lot of synchronization issues. I've even tried off camera. I tried doing the frame rate to, instead of 25 frames per second as you can see here, I dropped it down to 20 frames. Same problem. It always goes to 24 frames temporarily while I open a new program. And then when I did the 20 frames, it dropped down to 19 frames. There's always a problem when I'm opening programs and doing that kind of stuff. Oh, I don't like the idea of it getting Linux as an update. Anyway. With Conky, I know what to do with Conky now, I'm pretty sure, so I'll do that next episode, just because I don't want this one to be bloated. I might just start and stop recording just in case something happens. Oh, maybe I don't need to. Upgrading that, upgrading this, upgrading Linux. This is crazy, updating Linux. Like, this is actually, running hooks, okay. I've never updated Linux before, that's why I'm just like, whoa. Is this going to stuff things up? Oh, wow. It worked. You know what? It worked. Okay. And it didn't even stuff up anything. Okay. That was a surprise. Now, let's do all this streamer stuff. Yes. Okay, get it? Yay, it worked. Okay. So I just needed to update. I should always update. I shouldn't forget to do that. Now, here we go. Let's hope that this works. Here we go. What? Banshee. Oh, this is better work. This is better work. This. Play. No audio. Lasers. Ambient. Bad Panda. This is awful. Fix music metadata. You were kidding me. How do you get this working? Well, let's try some more plugins. GStreamer, so I've got the bass. As well as the bass, let's try Vappy. Maybe Vappy will work. Okay, Vappy. And yeah, we'll just try that for now. Yes. Okay, and no, okay. I've got to try this more. Okay. What's the next one? So I've got Vappy. I'm going to do it. I'm going to type in bad plugins. Even though I really don't want to type in bad plugins because I'm scared it'll stuff something up. But here we go. Bad plugins. Yes, get the bad plug. Is it already got bad plugins? Bad plugins. Nah, not working. This is not what I call a dream of success. Okay, I'll try the FFmpg. So I've definitely got the bad, the bass, the good, the ugly, the vap. What else do you need to do? Let me try Yeah, the FFmpeg. FFmpeg. And I'll just start and stop recording just in case it goes wrong. Yes. Oh, it's updated. Okay. Come on. Why does it not work? Maybe music will, like another app will work. Noise. Let's see if noise works. Yes! 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 Okay, it's working. Okay, let me try some more. I did it! I did it! I did it! The dream of success. Okay, I'm gonna have this playing because I'm happy. I'm very happy. Banshee, you can quit. I'll try Banshee now, and we'll see if Banshee works. Oh, I hope this works. There we go. Okay, let's see. So pause noise. So noise is paused. Let's see. It works. Look at this, and you can skip through. There we go. A bit odd, the music though. This is just amazing. So I just had to restart it and it's working. Just basically FFmpeg got the bad and ugly plugins and suddenly it works. You know what? Don't be scared of bad and ugly plugins. They work. Okay? So let's have some music on in the background. It'll be nice. Quit noise. There we go. Okay. So now that we sorted out that problem, see, this is a dream to success music. Okay. What was my other problem? I had problems. I've now got to look this up. Let me quickly go to Adventures in Arch. Adventures in Arch. Because that last episode was a nightmare. Where is it? Episode 6. Oh, that was me, my voice. Okay. I heard my voice and it was from that video, Adventures in Arch. I thought it was a part of this song. And I was like, hey, that's copyright. Oh, they used my voice. No, they didn't. Okay, so what was it? Adventures in, oh yeah. So GStreamer, so GStreamer, okay. So GStreamer and multiple music players. That was one problem, because I thought GStreamer originally was a program that, you know, just, you have to do everything, like, I thought it was an alternative to Cheese. So this Cheese that I'm in here, I thought GStreamer would just, instead of all these photos and stuff down here, I thought it would be just a clean little vision of me on the desktop. But that's not what GStreamer is. It seems to be like video and that kind of stuff, more of a, not a graphical thing, it's a, to get things to work, so getting this music libraries to work. So I also had a problem with Compiz. Oh, I don't know if I want to play around with Compiz, because I couldn't really get that working properly. But what I might do, instead of Compiz, I might try and, I'll try it. Wobbly Windows Compiz. Here we go. Plugin / Wobbly. Oh, but then again, I don't think I'd be able to get Compiz, because it's a whole different window manager. Do I have to, you know, get rid of, I don't know, Compiz Arch 2013, like, is it something that you still use, or Compiz Well, it's more LXDE that I've got to worry about. LXDE. Solved. So I want to use Compiz instead of Openbox. Okay, I've read this before. I can't remember, in the last episode maybe I read it. Okay. And installed LXDE. I want to use Compiz instead of Openbox, but I can't get it to start. Which only took away my window borders. I have window decorations checked in CCSM, and the command is set to Emerald Replace. I've also tried Emerald... This guy's smarter than me already. I changed that. The desktop session to Compiz. Okay, but that had no effect. Because I want to get Compiz working. Install CCSM and then enable window borders. But, okay, you know what I just thought? If I get Compiz working, this bar at the bottom of the screen from memory doesn't work. So let me just see. I want to see. Compiz. Error. Screen on 0 already has a window manager. Okay. Try using the replace. Okay. Compiz replace. Okay, I was about to say that was a bad idea. So now I've got the same problem as this guy. I've got no window borders. Maybe, can I open another one of these? Oh, and then as soon as Compiz is up, oh yay, this works. But now I've lost my... Oh no, I've got it. Awesome! I didn't know you even had that. Okay, so I've got this up, and I've got the bottom bar. Okay, Compiz isn't bad then. I just thought, wow, it gets rid of the whole bar at the bottom, but the bar is still here. It's like you just had to click in the general area of this like panel at the bottom and it's just reappeared. And the good thing about Compiz now is that gets this working all smooth. So Compiz is something I definitely want as a window manager. Because look at this, you can do nice cool effects, and I just need the window borders. That's what I need to get working. So you need to install CCSM and then enable window borders. So let's try that. I'll open another terminal, new window. Now it's got to stay up there because I can't move it around the screen. Okay. Sudo pacman s, and it's CCSM is what I want to get. So let's see if this works. Not found. Oh, maybe it's in Yoet. Yoet CCSM. Oh, and I've got to do the S. I'd be amazed if it's in here. Oh, wow, it is. Okay. So CCSM is in here. So should be okay. 2013. Oh, July. It looks a bit old. Hey, I see you've updated. Recently removed. Yeah, it should be okay. Yes, I want it. Actually, no, I don't want to edit. No. Edit, no. Install, yes. Yes. And it should work. Install, build, yep, doing all this stuff. Okay, because I definitely want Wobbly Windows. I want Compiz. It'll just be cool. Like, already docky. Look at that. It looks like a Mac kind of thing, the way it's working, except it would be at the bottom and then this bar at the bottom would be at the top. Someone said they wanted to swap it, but do you know what? I'm not going to swap it right now because it would be too much like a Mac. I don't want to go for a complete Mac look. I want to go for a unique look. And a unique would be at the side, but honestly, I don't think it looks good. If it was on this side down there, I don't think it would look that good. Anyway, how's this going? Edit, no. Continue, yes. Okay, yes. I'm just glad I got... Oh. I was just saying, I'm glad I got the audio working, but it doesn't seem to be working now. Oh, so it only plays one song. So let's say you wanted to play all the songs. Could you select all albums and then just click play? Yeah, it would work. Oh, and then it'll play them all? Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. I got this from a free-to-use website. For those who didn't watch episode 6, all this music here I randomly clicked. I haven't selected this, so don't think, oh, you've got bad music taste. It's all random. Anyway. No, don't edit. Yes. Oh, it's a lot of stuff it's all having to do here. Okay, I need my window borders back. I need to enable these window borders. Okay, so you need to install, CC, and enable window borders, resize windows, and move Windows plugins. Then re-enable Compiz. I already have that, and I have window decorations. Oh no. And move windows enabled. I need help enabling Compiz. I can see the fusion icon, but I want to do it without the fusion icon. I figured out that you can start Compiz with the Compiz replace CCP command, but I still can't set it as the window manager. OpenBox is still loaded even if I put Compiz replace CP as the window. Okay. So things aren't looking good here. Anyway. Continue installing. Yes. Yes. Come on, hurry up. I hate how, like, it just doesn't just install. I wish it would just, you know, just go install, rather than, do you want to do it? Yes. Okay, here's another thing. Do you want to install this? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. If I can get Compiz working, this episode has been a success. It's already half a success, because I've got half of what I wanted to get working. So I've actually got the music working. That was just step 1. Now, step 2 is this whole Compiz thing, so... Let's see, package is no longer required by any... Okay, yeah. Doesn't matter. Let's see, now I'm going to try and open this CC thing, so... It's called CCSM. Oh. No sexy Python found, gee. Now, window decoration, yes, I want that. Oh no, this dockie's in the way now, and how do I apply that? Uh-oh, how do you apply? I need the window decoration, so... I don't know how you apply this. Advanced search close. Definitely move windows and resize windows. But how do you apply all this? Let's say there should be a button like apply, close. And now let me maybe try and, don't worry, it's optional, okay. Let's try this then. I'm going to try, what am I going to do? What was that command I typed? Banshee, Emerald, no, don't worry about that. Yoach S Emerald. Oh, no, this is old. Yeah, that's... Sudo Pac-Man. I don't remember typing all of this. This is from ages ago, these episodes. OpenBox, a window manager, okay. So how did I do that? I typed... Compiz reply... Oh, that's what I typed. It's right there, okay. So I type OpenBox, then replace. Yeah, that worked. Only issue is OpenBox doesn't have the theme. I set it. Now we're gonna... Oh, it's configured for 4 days, but the current session is 1. Okay. Let's... Oh, but then if I quit this, because this is linked to OpenBox. Ah, nuts. So if I quit that, yeah, then nothing has Windows. Now I'm not using anything. Now go to LX... Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. LX terminal. Okay. Compiz. Okay, and... Oh, what? It doesn't have the screen. It doesn't have the decorations and stuff. How do you... Oh, this is so difficult. New window. Okay. So I need CCSM. I need to work out how to... But window decoration is ticked. Resize window is ticked. Move window is ticked. They're all ticked, so why is this not working? Preferences, default. It should be working. Advanced search, no. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to Google this, try and get this working. Making sure that this is a dream of... Wait, what was he saying? I think he was saying he couldn't get it to
work or something. Okay, I also tried Emerald Replace, but that didn't do anything. So maybe I have to do Emerald or something. I've tried Emerald Replace, but that, okay. I changed OpenBox LXD in Preferences, Desktop Settings to Compiz, but that had no effect. So could someone please tell me how to auto-start Compiz? I already did that. And move play enabled. I need help enabling Compiz. Oh, this isn't working. Ignore icon. I guess it just took 2 login and outs. I'm gonna type in Compiz no decoration. There we go. No window border with Compiz. Okay, enabled window decorator. Yeah, that's what I need to find out why is this not working in particular. So I installed Arch yesterday, just like, well, not me, I installed it a while ago. Today I installed Compiz, but when I start it, I don't have any window border. I checked it in CCSM. Also the move window and resize window, yep, as I've done, but Compiz isn't working at all. Here is the output. What should I do? Sorry about English. Enable window. Isn't that what he just said? Is there? Oh, okay, no, he didn't. Is there any reason why it can't be why it is disabled by default? Before you do anything else, you might want to check if plugins that provide basic are activated. Because Upstream has it disabled by default, Arch does not have its own configs, but maybe I just need to log in and out a few times. Do you know what? I'm going to do that now. How about we try and start Emerald, first of all. Emerald. I don't know if that's worked. It's kind of just like, what? And it stops. I can't ever get this Arch thing working. Okay, so I've done Emerald. Okay, now Emerald's not doing anything. Emerald's just stuck or something. So I also need to use a command engine to set the following parameter. You have to start Emerald 2 or start Fusion Icon. What about I try Fusion Icon? Maybe that'll magically work. So let's see. Fusion Icon Arch. If this works, I'm going to be very happy. Without Fusion Icon. Oh boy, I hope this works. Installing a window decorator. Compiz does not provide, oh, wait a sec, a window decorator, so you need to install one. There are 3 main decorators. So there's Emerald, there's GDK, okay. This decorators are included. So let me try and open this GDK thing. New window. Sorry about all these new windows, but here we go. Oh wait. GTK window decorator. Boy, I hope this works. Has already, oh wait a sec, Screen 0 has already got a decoration manager. Try the replace. Okay, let's try that. Replace. Please work. No, don't think that works either. So it must right now be using this other one, but it's not working. Here's a proof in front of me. Okay, Emerald Themes. Maybe KDE, oh no, but that's KDE, so you wouldn't really want to get that. Emerald, to set Emerald as your default, okay, type Emerald. GDK, replace. I've done all that. You must activate important plugins to provide. You have no, okay, yeah, I know that. I've already got those. Okay, with Fusion Icon, let's just try Fusion Icon. Here we go. I'm going to try and grab Fusion Icon now. New window. Fusion. Okay. Wait. Okay, without Fusion Icon. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait a sec. Compiz. I want to see something. Replace CCP and what would that do? Wait. And oh wow, it actually has the window borders now, and they're oh my goodness. So that's all it was. I had to. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. So now I've got transparent windows. I don't know how this is working right now. Quit that. So Emerald's obviously not running, but this one must be. This GDK one must be running right now. Oh, this is just, everything is so confusing here, and this is up again. Here we go. So loading icons, that's that thing. I can quit this. Oh no, I can't. Oh, yes I can? Maybe I can, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna just start and stop this recording before, it's just probably messed up out of sync and stuff, and I'm gonna have a nightmare syncing this up, so stop. And for those of you who have just tuned in and are wondering where this music's coming from, this has not been edited into the video. If you can hear it, I've got it very, very low. It's Banshee is playing the music for us. And it's playing each song here. So I'm just going to minimize it. And we're going to look at some more options for using Compiz. So we've got some effects here. Is Wobbly Windows here? Because I've always loved Wobbly Windows. Wobbly Windows, let me see, ready? Oh, what? Oh, wait, I've got a ticket. Wobbly Windows. Okay, please work. Please work. Yes! Oh, Wobbly Windows. Okay, I got them. Oh, I can't believe I got this working. This is truly a dream of success. Oh, great. And everything has Wobbly Windows, doesn't it? Even, let me just see what Darktable would look like with Wobbly Windows, because it's a pretty big program. Oh, it works. That is so cool. Whoa, and it flicks. Oh, and you can do that flick up, so if I want to put it to the top of the screen or just the top. So I can just say I want to maximize a window. I'd simply grab the window and chuck it. Oh, wait. Chuck it to the, what? Oh, you're tricking me now. Before I could chuck it to the top of the screen and it would work, but now it's just not working like that anymore. Maybe you have to maximize and then do this. Yeah, that's how to do it. It's like a spider web. Oh, it's crazy. Anyway, let me close that now. Whoa, did you see it went... How are these windows closing? Wait, let me see something else here. So I've got to remember that. Compiz replace CCP. Okay. Let's try this then. But now, it's actually not finished yet because, in fact, can I just adjust this Wobbly Windows, because I think it does wobble a bit too much. What the? Yeah, that's... Did you see that it has slide? Watch this. I'm going to slide myself across the screen. You watch. I'm going to, throw myself, right? And I'm going to let go of the mouse. Watch. See, it keeps moving, you can actually literally throw yourself, and it keeps wobbling, moving itself up. Watch this, ready? I'm going to chuck myself again. Chuck! And I'm going to throw myself, you throw you away. But the fact is that I really like is it kind of does. After you let go of the mouse, it kind of still moves. So that's pretty cool. I just want to try it. Throw down. What if you do it at a slow rate? Slow. Yeah, it does. I let go of the mouse and it'll still keep going. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so what was I doing next? I might just minimize this because I'm sick of it in that corner. I need to... It's crazy. I need to adjust these settings. That's definitely a priority right now. Because the way it's moving around... Wait, Spring K, if I put that high... This is just crazy. I never thought I'd be in this, this next episode. I've got Compiz working, I've got music working. Let Let me see, if I change minimum grid size, grid resolution to 1. Ooh. It seems a bit dodgy. Oh yeah, it's extra, So I'm thinking the higher the resolution, the more smooth it all is. So, whoa. And if I do it to this, somewhat more smoother. I don't know if it's actually enabled, like, on the fly. Oh, it sure is. It is. I can feel it. I changed the friction and boy, that changed a lot of things there. Okay, so I'm going to probably put this grid thing down to 14 spring K. Whoa, that is cool. I've tried to move it. Oh wait, now it's not being responsive. But like, I'm pulling it and look at this. It's like, that is insane. Look at this Compiz manager. Wait, wrong way. Look at that Compiz manager. That is insane. Like, I'm moving the mouse and I'm like, whoa. Okay, I've got to fix this up now. You've got to wait for it, unfortunately, to come back. I'm going to change that spring K. Here we go, spring K. Put it around there. Now change friction to not much. Whoa. Okay, if you change friction to nothing, it causes it to be ultra slidey. Watch this. I'll let go of it. Wait. Here we go. Throw. And look at that. It's still sliding down. It's like a sliding window. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Wait. I've got to put the friction back up. So this is... The reason I'm playing around with this so much now is because I'm just so happy that it successfully worked. Okay. Let's let go. See, do you know what? Because it was wobbling and it was wobbling around, I let go of it, right? And because it wobbled in that direction, it actually made the window slide because of the low friction. What if you put it to like nothing? Let's see this. Ready? Throw. Look at that! It's just sliding along. That is so crazy. Can you even lower the friction more? Wait a sec. It's nuts. Sorry, oh no, I've lost cheese now. Okay. Stop wobbling. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this friction off. It's too annoying. Stop shaking. Stop it. No. I've lost the window. What do you... Oh no. It's gone out of the screen. Oh no, and those are my settings. Oh no. Okay. I've got a problem. I've lost it. It's flown away. Wait. Maybe I've got to... I don't want to... No. Not my terminal. No. I might need to log in and out of this. Luckily the start menu doesn't fly away. Okay. Let me start and stop recording. I'll get back into this. No, Bogo screw. Oh no. I'm just meant to move it up. How am I supposed to stop recording now? I've just lost Vogo. I cannot literally press stop. I need that to come back. Oh no, Firefox! Stop shaking! Oh no! What is he just doing? He's going crazy down there. Come back. Wait, I can't even pull you back. No. Okay, so this is a disaster. I obviously need to turn this friction off. This is ridiculous. The window's still wobbling down there. Voco screen. Wait a sec, Voco screen has a stop button. I can use this. Stop. Thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, basically, I'm now out of the screen. We're going to log back in and out and hope that it hasn't enabled all those options. So I'm going to close cheese. Close. I can't get the X button. Okay, let me just get out of this. This is a disaster. Log out. Okay, now I'm going to log back in.
But do you know what? This has been a much funner episode. In the next episode, we're probably going to work out Conky and Compiz. Right now, I just want to get Compiz starting by default. So, let's just make sure the windows are no longer wobbly. Let's see. I can already see because it's missing transparency in the popping out effect. So what was that command again? I've got to remember to enable Compiz. In fact, you know what? I'm not going to enable it at this very moment because I'm worried about what it's going to do. I'll get you onto the screen with Voco Screen because I'm sure you don't want me holding the camera like this. Okay, here we go again. This is attempt number 2 now to get this Compiz. Oh, wow. It saved the exact place where I was on. Yeah, Compiz. So I didn't have to reopen that. Now, what do? I've got to remember this command. So do you know what? I've got to remember that command. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to keep it in a little notes thing. I'm going to open... where's the leaf pad? Accessories, leaf pad. And this is my little stuff to remember. Okay. Open Compiz with, and what's that command? This, paste. With Compiz replace CSV. Okay. And I'll put that in quotations marks. I'm going to save that as documents, stuff to remember. Hopefully I won't need to remember this due to the fact that I'm probably going to get Compiz starting at boot now. With fusion icon means that the native... Okay. Starting Compiz... Okay, without the fusion icon. Methods involve starting the native Windows manager, then replacing it with Compiz, have been as such. Okay. Not KDE for auto link. Compiz.desktop. Oh. Name flashback. Oh, you know what? I might get Compiz icon, then we'll automatically get Compiz icon starting on boot, because I think that might be a bit easier. So let's try this Compiz icon. Where is it? Without fusion icon, that's it. Without fusion, with fusion icon. Okay. Sudo pacman s fusion icon. I might need to do, yep, I thought so. I have to do yout, or yoit. Someone told me how to say it properly and I forgot. Here we go, fusion icon. Downloading, okay. So with this, we should be able to just make it pop up all the time. So no, don't edit, yes, install. No, don't edit. Yes, yes. Okay. Here we go, so it's getting the packages, downloading, and now, I've got the Voco screen on, right? Yeah, I do. Okay, so now, yes, install, yes. Okay, now let's try this. It's fusion icon somewhere in here. I've got all this stuff, fusion, okay, Compiz fusion icon, and... What? What? Why is it red now? Oh, no, there's wobbly. The windows are still wobbly. Okay, before that window wobbles away, CM. What is it again? Oh no, the bars. Yeah, that bar at the bottom keeps disappearing. Okay, what was it? CCSM? Yes, okay, I got it right. Okay, I don't want to lose this Compiz manager now. I've got to hold it still with the mouse. Okay, let go. Now don't slide. Okay. Don't slide. Stop sliding. Stop sliding. Okay, now I'm gonna... I can't use this window till it stops sliding. Stop. Stop sliding. Stop sliding. Come on. Okay, now I can use it. Wobbly Windows needs a serious... You know what? I'm turning friction all the way up here. I never want to have to worry about that again. Map effect shiver. What's this gonna look like? Oh, that's annoying, that draggy effect though. I want it to be a bit springier. Oh, it needs a bit, yeah, less friction. I mean, more, yeah, less friction. Turn that down a bit.
Okay, yeah, does that look cool? I don't know, you tell me yourself if you like that or not. I don't know, it moves a little bit. Put it down to 2.2. Yeah, I think that'll be good. This will be our official, like, Compiz setting how I'm going to have it. I don't know why all the windows are red now. Like, I haven't specified, hey, windows, be red, please. Like, I don't know why. Focus effect shiver. Oh, wait a sec. Focus. It's not shivering on focus, so I might just put that on. Oh. Wait a sec. Oh, look at that. It, like, you open something. That's crazy, but I probably won't have that on shiver. None. Yeah, okay, so that map effect was like... That was crazy, okay. So map windows. Oh, okay, so all of this stuff, drop down menus. So that's all the map stuff. Oh, I get it. And move windows, okay. So now that I've done that, let's go back. Let's see what other effects we've got. We've got the minimize effect, and we want that to be... Is there any... Also, minimize is going to be that thing, that look. Oh wait, where did it go? Oh wait, here it is. So you've got the kind of, it comes down, and then it comes out. How do you change that? So you've got speed. Oh, I'm not changing. Imagine if I change the speed and I make it go really slow so it never does anything. Oh, that would be a nightmare. I might try to get some more effects for Compiz in the next episode. Now I think it's just time to end the episode thinking, hey, I've gotten success with everything working. So Fusion icon on startup, you need to auto start it. Oh, auto start it. Okay, let's do that then. Auto starting article for your desktop environment. Okay. So let's see, auto starting. Oh no, not all this system D stuff. Run it is a mature init system which offers process supervision, parallel per user, okay, all that stuff. To auto start programs in the console or upon login, you can use shell directories, okay. Graphical, okay, here we go. You can auto start programs automatically when you log into your window manager or desktop environment. See xinit? So we've got that. Desktop application auto starts. Okay, which are executed every time. Okay, this is what I need. Users can override, yep. For an explanation, LXD auto start programs. Here we go. This is where I'm into it. There are a number of different ways to auto start applications in LXDE as described below. OpenBox auto starting. By default, OpenBox is the manager for LXDE. So I've got that. Auto starting. Desktop files. Auto start files. What about auto starting the other thing? So replacing the window. Okay, OpenBox can easily be replaced by other windows such as FM, Compiz. Okay, LXD will attempt to use the window manager to find in their LX session configurations file. Okay, so let's go to this file now. .config. Okay, let's go to this. Copy. I'm going to open XFE. I'm going to go to this. Oh, what? Home. Wait, Philip. Okay, I'll do it like this. Philip/config. Where is it? Let me check this. Wait, I'll put this to the side. Our nice wobbly window to the side. Say config. Okay, where is .config? .config. Yep. Then LX session. LX session. Yep. LXDE desktop. Okay, edit. Oh, the only thing is, I don't know if this is actually going to work because this isn't. Well, we'll try. Here we go. Edit. So let's see what it says. Starts up first. So it's saying. Oh, here I am. Okay, so it's saying. Where is OpenBox? I'm looking for. Okay, window manager equals OpenBox. So what if I change that? Wait a sec. OpenBox LE. Maybe because I was typing OpenBox before. That's why. You know what? I am going to try that out because I actually want to learn how this works. So before, when I just simply type open box and then replace, it didn't give me what I was expecting. It was like a different theme and stuff. But if I type open box LXDE, and then I need the two little things replace. So open box LXD is how to get this same, that makes sense now. And then if I quit this, then if I quit that, everything, all the wobbly windows, everything goes. Okay, so I've then got to open Compiz again. Okay, so what was that command to open Compiz? I'd better quickly open it. Compiz, no, wait, Compiz replace, that's it. Okay, yep, that's working now with my wobbly windows, great. Okay, so let's see, what do I need to do? I need to change this, openbox LXD, to, I think, that command. Compiz. Do I just type in Compiz? I probably don't just type in Compiz. I'll try it. Wait, for Compiz, window manager equals Compiz CPP indirect. Okay, let's try that. We're going to try it. Copy. And we'll paste this in. Oh boy, I hope this works. Paste. Save. Oh, it worked. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to close the window. We're going to try this. Here we go. I'm going to log out, log back in, and hope that this works. Because then everything will be much better. Okay, ready? Stop. You've joined me back here in my camera. And now I'm going to close everything and just hope that this all works. Here we go. I'm going to say bye to cheese. Look at that. It's just amazing the way that you can drag and wobble. Like, this is me moving around. And not only is it moving me around, like, whoa, it's just crazy. Okay, let's just quit this. I'm going to have a lot of fun with Compiz. Compiz is going to be one. It's going to be my new window manager, replacing OpenBox. Okay, so I'm going to now log out. So, log out. Now I'm going to log back in and hope that this works. Here we go. Oh boy. If this doesn't work, I'm going to be upset, because my dream of success will be complete if Compiz loads perfectly and I can still play music. Okay. Are you ready for this? Oh no, where's my mouse cursor gone? Oh no, look at this. I've got no mouse cursor. Wait a sec. Does that also mean... Wait. Let me open LX terminal. Oh no, now this is an X. What? My mouse cursor is an X up there. There it exists. Oh, so my mouse is an X now. So I've got a mouse cursor, but it's just an X. Oh no. I need to work out what to do here, because this is like, everything was going so close to being good, but... Oh no. Maybe I just need to... Wait, fusion icon. Now do I have a mouse? Yep, now I have a mouse. So basically, I've got it almost. Everything's almost working. I just need this fusion icon thing sorted. Once fusion icon can load automatically on boot, then I'll be happy. So on the wiki, the Arch Linux wiki, I found this LXD auto starting files, and it says you can go to config, and then you can type stuff like LX terminal leafpad. Now, my guess is that I'll just type in Compiz Fusion. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this out. I'm going to open XFE. Oh, and I love this, and it looks like select window manager, Compiz. This must be Emerald, I'm guessing. Yeah, window decorator, Emerald. That's right, so this is actual Emerald. And it just looks really nice. I love this like default Emerald theme with the transparencies. It's fantastic. Like, look at these transparent windows. Anyway, let's just not get carried away with these transparent windows. Let's try and do this ASAP. So we need to go to, it said config. Then what? LX session, LXD, auto start. LX session, LXD, I'll just make an auto start. auto start, because I know from previous experience that it'll say, whoa, that's like, I'm literally looking at myself speak. It's out of sync. Like, literally, this live is out of sync. So if this looks out of sync to you, don't worry, because it's actually, to me, out of sync visually on the screen. So yeah, something's a little wrong there. I might need to do some VLC tweaking and stuff to get this image a little bit better and more in sync. Anyway, auto start is going to be our file, and I want auto start to, and it said you put an at, Compiz icon. I'm just guessing. Save. You're going to try this out with me, ready? We're going to do this together. So, yep, at Compiz icon. Here we go. I'm going to get you the camera. Here we go. I'm holding it in my hand now. I'm going to start the recording and we're going to jump to this camera. 3, 2, 1. Now you can see through the eyes of this camera. I'm going to close Voco screen, close cheese. I'm going to log out and log back in. Log out. Oh boy, I hope this works. And now I'm going to log in. Oh boy, please work, please work. Here we go. If this opens up with the Compiz icon stuff, oh, I'm going to be so happy. Oh, it's got no... Oh, you're kidding me. Didn't work? Oh, I thought that would work. See, it's still doing that same weird X thing it was doing before. Maybe if I open up this XFE... Yeah, okay, wait. Let me open Fusion icon. Ah, so close. So close to having this all working. Maybe I typed in the name of the program wrong or something. So let's see. Config LX session, was it? LXD auto. Oh wait. Let's just edit. Compiz icon. Oh, wait a sec. I think I spelled it wrong. It's Fusion. That's why it maybe didn't work. Fusion icon. Save. Okay, let's try this now. This is my last one now, hoping that it's working. And then this episode will truly be a dream of success if everything works. Let's see. Oh, please be a dream of success. Please, please, please. Logging, typing my password. 18. Okay, here we go. So the last episode was a nightmare of failure. Will it be a dream of success? And it will be. You know how I can tell? By the fact that the top, it looks all nice there, and the fact that it was transparent straight away. And the fact that now I'm going to open a random program such as LeafPad, and look at that. The beautiful... Yeah, it's working perfectly. So, there we go. Our Arch Linux thing is working. This truly was a dream of success. I got Compiz working, as you can see with my wobbly window, and music is working, as you can hear, with... What are we going to use? Maybe with noise. There we go. There. So everything is now working. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Sorry, this dream is a little dark at the end. This dream of success with this episode of Adventures in Arch Linux, episode 7. Episode 6, the demonic evil one last time, was a nightmare of failure. Anyway, here's just my little review of what happened, because I didn't tell you it at the end of the last episode. So episode 6, I tried installing GStreamer, Conky, Compiz and multiple music programs, but everything failed. Compiz had no window borders, GStreamer didn't allow music to play and with the music players, and Conky had the issue of staying visible, and on top of the desktop it was just a nightmare of failure. Now this episode, episode 7, everything that went wrong in the previous episode was set right in this episode. I unexpectedly got music playing correctly by getting the bad and ugly GStreamer plugins. I also got Compiz working after installing the Fusion icon, and got it to boot automatically by adding it to the LXDE auto start file.
Now, everything has gone right in this episode. This music you're hearing is just celebrating the fact that everything went right. This music player is noise, and as you can see with my wobbly Compiz window, it is playing music. So just summing up their success there all in one page. Okay. Next time, see that bit of sky there? I want to put conky there, and I want to make my own conky configuration, like with this cool look, but I'm not really that much of a designer, as you can see by my taskbar and desktop background that I designed. So we're just going to try conky, try customizing it in the next episode. If you have any ideas or really good conky tutorials where it shows you really like a bunch of commands you can use to customize conky, go ahead and post it in the description of this video. Anyway, see you next time in Adventures in Arch Linux.